Hello kids, today we are going to see a very beginner friendly problem using single digit which is 3 rows, which having 3 rows. So let's start the first problem. The first problem is 9. Always start from the ones dot. 9 plus 5. So for plus 5, I am using the big friend formula plus 10 minus 5. Minus 5. Now it is minus 3. The answer is 11. Let's go to the second problem. The second problem is 8. 8 plus 6. I don't have sufficient beats, so I'm going to use the combination formula plus 10 minus 5 plus 1. Now minus 2. The answer is 12. Third problem is 7. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is plus 10 minus 6 and it is minus 1. The answer is 10. Let's go to the fourth problem. So the fourth problem is plus 6 plus 6 plus 3 minus 2. The answer is 7. Now the last problem. The last problem is 5 plus 2 minus 1. The answer is 6. Hope it is clear. Thank you. For more videos and problems, please watch my channel. Thank you.